If your Hisense TV suddenly stops responding to the remote, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through several proven solutions that have worked for thousands of people. Let's get into it. Step 1. Try simple fixes. The first thing you should do is check the batteries. Even slightly weak batteries can cause Hisense remotes to behave inconsistently. Remove your old batteries and insert fresh batteries with the correct polarity. Also, make sure the battery compartment is clean. Many users find that this alone solves the problem. Step 2. Power cycle the remote and TV. Sometimes both the remote and TV just need a soft reset. Remove the batteries and press the power button on the remote for 20 to 30 seconds. This drains leftover electrical charge. Next, unplug your Hisense TV from the wall for at least 1 minute. After that, put the batteries back in the remote, plug in the TV, and try again. Step 3. Check the infrared signal and sensor. If you're using an IR remote, the signal must reach the TV's sensor directly. Point the remote at your phone's camera, press any button, and check if a blinking light appears on the camera screen. This tells you the remote is sending a signal. Make sure nothing is blocking the front of your TV, and clean both the remote's IR emitter and the TV's IR sensor. Step 4. Repair remote with TV. Newer Hisense TVs use Bluetooth remotes, which can lose pairing after updates. To fix this, remove the batteries and hold the pairing button while reinserting them. Wait for the LED to start flashing. If your remote can switch between IR and Bluetooth modes, long pressing certain buttons may toggle the mode back to IR. You can also use the official Hisense remote app or a universal remote to regain control temporarily. Step 5. Update or reset the TV software. If the remote still doesn't respond, the issue might be the TV's firmware. Use the physical buttons on the TV or a phone remote app to go to Settings, then go to Support, to System Update, and check for updates. Install any available update, then restart the TV. If nothing works, you can perform a factory reset. Step 6. Replace the remote. If none of the troubleshooting steps help, your remote may be damaged internally. This happens due to drops, moisture, or worn-out components. At this point, replacing the remote is the best solution. Thankfully, Hisense remotes are inexpensive, and most universal remotes work perfectly. Until a replacement arrives, you can control your TV with a smartphone remote app.